After roaming the captives of Prophet's family and the heads of the martyrs of Karbala around the city of Kufa, they were brought to the court of Ibn Ziyad. The people were allowed to enter the court, and the head of Imam Hussain was placed in front of him, and the captive women and Imam Hussein's family were brought to the court. Lady Zainab was among other captive women, and after coming to the court sat in the corner. Ibn Ziyad asked,
"Who is this woman in the corner?"
Lady Zainab did not answer. Ibn Ziyad repeated his question. Then a slave girl said,
"She is Zainab, the granddaughter of the Prophet.
All praise is due to God, who disgraced your family, killed and showed that everything you were saying was a lie.
All praise is due to God, who blessed us through the Prophet and kept us away from every impurity. No one is disgraced except the wicked, and no one lies except the wicked, and we are not wicked. You and your followers are wicked, and praise be to God alone."
Did you see what God Almighty did to your family?
I saw nothing but goodness. These are the people for whom God has decreed martyrdom, and they obeyed and went to their eternal destination, and soon God will put you before them and they will complain to God. Then see who succeeds on this day. O son of Marjana, may your mother weep over you.
God calmed my heart by killing your disobedient brother Hussein, his family and the rebellious army.
By God, you killed our elder, cut down our family tree and uprooted it. If this work is a source of consolation for you, then you have found healing.
She is also an expert orator like her father Ali. I swear to God, your father was also a poet and used to rhyme.
What is the use of poetry and rhymes for a woman? What is the time to say poetry? We have seen nothing but goodness, O son of Marjana, may your mother mourn you.
Ibn Ziyad became angry on hearing the measured and dignified speech of Lady Zainab, and he wanted to punish Lady Zainab, but he could not do so. Then the accursed Ibn Ziyad pointed to Imam Sajjad and asked,
"Who is this?"
So someone said that this is Ali, son of Hussein. Ibn Ziyad says,
"Didn't God kill Ali, son of Hussein?"
Imam Sajjad in a very brave and fearless voice said to this accursed person,
"I had a brother whose name was Ali, your army martyred him."
Hearing this answer in this tone, Ibn Ziyad the accursed said,
"It was not the people but God who killed him."
Imam Sajjad, with the inherited wisdom from the Prophet and the courage from Imam Ali, said to this accursed person in his bold voice,
God seizes souls at the time of death, and those not dead, their souls are seized in their sleep.
When Ibn Ziyad heard this answer, he said,
"How dare you answer me?"
Then this accursed man said to the executioners,
"Take him and blow his neck."
Upon hearing this, Lady Zainab said,
O Ibn Ziyad, you do not want to leave any of us alive. If you want to kill him, then kill me along with him.
Imam Sajjad said,
"O my aunt, let me talk to him."
Then Imam Sajjad, addressing the accursed Ibn Ziyad, said in his manly voice,
O Ibn Ziyad, are you threatening to kill me? Do you not know that attaining martyrdom is our habit, and martyrdom is a blessing from God for us?